Now we're going to talk about Rene Descartes Part 4. We're still into this diagram here. Now, everything I explained in the previous video will suddenly become clear to you in this video. Alright? Now, what does Descartes have us do? Well, he's going to have us design a geometric proof in the fashion of Euclid. Oh boy, here we go. Okay. Let AB, AD, EF, and GH be any number of straight lines given in position. Now you remember, I told you that what we're going to do is we're going to draw lines, and based on those lines we're going to have angles, and it's going to go on and on and on. And let it be required to find a point C from which straight lines CB, CD, CF, and CH can be drawn, making the given angles CBA, CDA, CFE, and CHE, respectively, with the given lines. Now, let's stop that right there. Okay. So what we have done is we drew a line called AB. Boom. There's AB. Then we drew line AD like this. Okay. And then we drew EF. So EF is like this. Okay. And then we drew line GH like this. Okay, then we have to find, now we're going to have to try to find a point C in which we can draw the following lines. CB, well, here's CB right here. See, CB. Then we have to draw CD. Well, there's CD right there. See, CD right there. And then we have to draw CF and CH. Well, here's CF right there. Here's CH right there. And then we're going to form a whole bunch of angles. Now, the first angle is CBA. Well, here's C, here's B, here's A. So it's that angle right there. The next angle is CDA. Well, here's C, here's D, and here's A. It's that angle right there. We formed that. We're going to form CFE. Okay, well, here's C, here's F, and here's E. C, F, E. Okay. Now the next angle is going to be CHG. Well, here's C, here's H, here's G. So it's that angle right there. Alright? Now you know what angles we formed. And these given angles are in respect to the given lines, and such that the product of certain of them be equal to the product of the rest. So in other words, we're going to multiply things like CD and CH, and their product is going to be equal to the product of the rest. Or at least such that these two products shall have a given ratio, for this condition does not make the problem any more difficult. That's what he says. Okay. So now he's going to simplify things by considering one of the given lines and one of those to be drawn. Okay, so he's going to have us focus, so we understand this a little more clearly, on lines AB and BC. So we're going to focus right here at the moment. Alright. Now, what he's going to do is he's going to label the length of AB as X. So now we have the length of AB as x. And then he's going to label the length of BC as y. Okay, so now we have the length of BC as y, the length of AB as x. Alright, now he wants us to produce all the other given lines to meet these two lines. Now, all the other given lines cannot be parallel to AB or to BC. So the given lines are going to cut AB at points A, see, E, right there, G, right there, and they're going to cut BC at points R, right there, S, right there, see there's a little letter S way up there, and T, right there. Okay? Now, how are the angles of triangle ARB known? How are the angles of ARB known? Well, we're going to tell you. This goes back to Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20, the law of sines. And I'm going to explain that to you in the next video, so stay tuned.